If you're looking to boost your business growth with streamlined processes, then you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Process.st for business growth step by step. Stick around to the end because I'll also share how you can get an exclusive free trial to make the most out of this powerful software. Now, let's get right into it. Process.st is a workflow management software that helps you create, track, and optimize your business processes. Whether you're managing projects, client onboarding, or internal team processes, Process.st gives you a simple but effective way to organize everything and improve efficiency. To start setting up Process.st, the first thing you need to do is create an account. The good news is that you can use this software for free, and I've got an exclusive link for you in the description to sign up and unlock some extra bonuses. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the dashboard. Here, you'll see all your templates, tasks, and checklists, which we'll be using to organize your workflows. The next step is to create your first workflow or process. This is where the power of Process.st really shines. Click on Create New Template and start building your process from scratch or use one of their pre-built templates. These templates are customizable, so you can tailor them to fit your specific business needs. Whether you're creating a hiring process, a sales funnel, or a project timeline, you can structure everything with tasks, subtasks, and even set deadlines for each. Now let's dive into one of the core features that can really help drive business growth: task automation. In Process.st, you can automate repetitive tasks and integrate with other tools like Zapier, Google Sheets, and more. This means that once you've set up your workflow, you can automate notifications, approvals, and reminders, so you and your team never miss a step. But it doesn't stop there. You can assign tasks to specific team members, attach files, and track the progress of each process, which gives you full visibility into how everything is progressing. This makes it easy to identify bottlenecks and areas that need improvement, ultimately helping your business grow more efficiently. To really boost your productivity, make use of the checklists feature. This is great for processes that require detailed steps, like quality checks or client feedback. You can break down complex tasks into manageable items, so nothing falls through the cracks. Once you have your process set up, it's time to track performance. Process.st offers analytics to help you measure how your workflows are performing, which is crucial for identifying growth opportunities. This will give you insights into how your team is performing, which processes are taking too long, and where you can make improvements to optimize growth. And remember, this isn't just for large teams. Even as a small business or solo entrepreneur, Process.st allows you to manage tasks, deadlines, and client deliverables without the overwhelming chaos. Plus, because it's so easy to use, you'll be able to set everything up quickly and efficiently, allowing you to focus on scaling your business. Before I wrap up, I want to remind you that by using the link in the description, you can access Process.st for free and get exclusive bonuses to enhance your experience. This is a limited time offer, so don't miss out on it. So there you have it, a quick guide on how to set up Process.st for business growth. By following these steps, you'll be able to automate your workflows, boost productivity, and track performance to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the first link below for your exclusive free trial and bonuses.